My name is Reverend Adekunle Abegunde.
My name is Adebayo Peter.
Min Indian Suaibu.
We are presently in Ejiba bush. That's the Fulani camp. The children, you can see them around me. They are very cooperative. They are interested in education, but they need assistance. And gradually, we are bringing them out of the ignorance of education into the knowledge of education. Seven days makes a week. It is only when you show them love, you show them the need for them to be together, before you can put their confidence like this. Now after winning them, they love me so much. I'm just like a shepherd to them. Anywhere I go now they follow. Because of studying them, showing them love, then letting them to know the do and don'ts about life. So gradually, the light, they will be exposed to the light. They will be exposed to the gospel. Any assistant will go a long way. As the Lord puts it in your mind, as the Lord asks you to help these people, let them come out of darkness to light.
Work out the intending and go mirao. Work out the intending and go mirao. Work out the intending and go mirao.
Ya Isa.
Jabi Isa. Amma seto Jabi Isa. Donkey seto Jabi Isa. Risku seto Jabi Isa. La ole, o siri la ole, la ol kisdane, la ol kisdane.
Mi waji na der futte mi wanja mi halatte fere mi nasta fere den mi hokka habaru jawmirawo emi waja emi senda radio hoy ngam wallutugo fulɓe emin mari ekkitini feere ngam jamu ɓandu ngam ɗaɓɓutugo jonde jam hakkunde fulɓe e heddidiraɓe ko bandiraɓe leƴƴi goɗɗi feere rena min ayna min be sheɗan en andi sheɗan mari dabareji feere to jawmirawo ayna min rena hokka min jahal yeeso nder yidde jawmirawo e barka mako. To min jetti min nani belɗum sosai. To bandiraɓe siwte jam.
I'm a native of this community, so I'm in charge of evangelism, mission, church planting, and discipleship in Isolu DCC. We thank God for Reverend Benjamin Schroeder, who came into this place and start this project, which is for mission and to encourage mission in this environment. All the indigenes of this community seriously appreciate this, and we'll be glad if the project will continue and be successful, be fulfilled, to help many lives to know Christ and to encourage the church to stand better.
Hello everyone, this is Ben Schroeder, the founder of House of Peace Ministries. I'd like to thank you so much for the support and the prayers that you have been giving the ministry and the work among the Fulani. We've seen strides, we've seen lives changed, we've seen people that have heard the gospel, and it's because of your support and our partnership that we are able to spread the good news to those who have not heard. May God bless you.